In the current digitized era, the concept of Agile is gaining huge popularity. According to Scrum Guide, Scrum has been adopted by various organizations across the globe. And most organizations are implementing Scrum with the view of self-organizing their teams. A recent study found that approximately 5,400 projects' budget has been overspent by 45% due to project overrun. These deficits can be reduced by a Scrum professional. In addition, employing a Scrum professional leads to successful project completion, adhering to timelines. Agile being the standard practice at most organizations, Scrum Masters are in great demand. Having a Scrum Master certification merely not teaches you about Agile and Lean methodologies, it also provides a clear certification of employees' proficiency in the domain. If you are interested in pursuing a career as a Certified Scrum Master, there is no better time than now to take up the certification. Here we solve all your queries about the CSM certification process and related details. Hello everyone. This is Eric from Invensis Learning, and I welcome you all to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Invensis Learning, and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. This video will explain to you on how to become a Certified Scrum Master through a thorough understanding of the following concepts. Let's start our session by understanding about Scrum Master, followed by their responsibilities. Next, let's move on to our core concept, that is how to become a Certified Scrum Master. Moving on, let's understand about CSM exam details. Next, let's understand the benefits of gaining CSM certificate. Further, let's eye on the career opportunities for Certified Scrum Masters. Soon after that, let's see whether Scrum Master training is necessary. Next, let's look at job roles that can take up CSM certification. And lastly, shall conclude the session by knowing about the benefits of taking CSM certification with Invensis Learning. Before we start with our core concept on how to become a Certified Scrum Master, let's understand some of the basic concepts. Let's start our session with a thorough understanding of Scrum Master. So, who is a Scrum Master, and what are the activities they are accountable for within the team? The Scrum Master is responsible for managing the business processes, by ensuring Scrum theory, rules, and practices are thoroughly followed. A Scrum Master is a mentor and servant leader for Agile development teams. They assist the team including Kanban, SAFe, Extreme Programming, and Scrum, to ensure whether the Scrum process is being followed. They are accountable for managing information exchange between the team members. Scrum Master allows the team to self-organize and make necessary changes accordingly, owing to Agile principles. Scrum Masters does every possible thing to help the team to perform at its highest level. They remove all sorts of impediments hindering project's progress, facilitate meetings, and provide a high-performing working environment. Hope you are clear with the role of a Scrum Master within the organization. This slide will explain you some of the responsibilities of a Scrum Master. First, handling intricacies. The main task of the Scrum Master is to identify and remove the hurdles hampering the progress of the project. If the issues are beyond their limit, they can get assistance from other stakeholders as well. The interference of the Scrum Master is essential in removing the impediments when the team members fail to overcome them. Second, ability to handle a team. The Scrum Master should be capable of creating a work environment of trust and comfort. An individual in the team would be considered as a potent resource when they are not judgmental and discriminative. In case of such issues between the team members, the Scrum Master should be capable of identifying and resolving such matters. It is one of their significant duties to ensure there is ample coordination and collaboration between the team members. Third, team coach. A Scrum Master is considered as a coach for the product owner and the development team. He is responsible for ensuring that the team imbibes and follow Agile practices, values, principles, and Scrum framework. They take all the measures to ensure to make the team step to the next level with improved performance. The Scrum Master doesn't assist the team in solving the issues. In the case of extreme conditions, they take complete responsibility of the problem and get it answered. Instead of just coaching the team, it would be better if the entire organization gets coaching. This would be helpful for the organizations adopting the Scrum framework initially. Fourth, leader. It's a well-known fact that a Scrum Master is the leader of the team. Often, they are also known as servant leader. His main objective is to improve teamwork and their involvement in work. Being a servant leader is just about giving orders to the team and get the job done. It is all about serving as a helping hand to the team and work in collaboration with the developers and get the work done efficiently. A servant leader should possess the following qualities. Good listening skills. Cultivating a trust culture. Empathetic. Encouraging behavior. Fifth, remove impediments and keep the team on progress path. The main target of the Scrum Master is to keep the team members on progress track and find out the impediments hindering their work quality. Work distractions can be like work environment, unnecessary meetings, and procedural complexity. Sixth, growth mindset and agility. When implementing new ideas at the organizational level, setbacks and failures are quite common. The Scrum Master must educate the team to accept the setbacks and keep learning from it. Unlike agility, persistence is yet another skill for the Scrum Master. It is their duty to ensure that all the team members attend the meeting. Maintaining regular persistence helps the team to accomplish its goals. Last one is servant leadership. Having optimism in the work environment improves the efficiency of the team members. The main role of the Scrum Master is to motivate the team members to give their best results to the company by minimizing their weakness. The Scrum Master job role doesn't provide them authority to take strategic decisions regarding a project. It's not the sole responsibility of the Scrum Master to handle project's progress or failure, instead it's the responsibility of the entire team. Their main focus is to manage the process towards project completion. Hope now you are clear with the Scrum Master responsibilities. Now let's take a look at how to become a certified Scrum Master. If you are planning to take up CSM certification, here we have a detailed guide on CSM certification process. CSM certification process involves a series of steps to become a certified professional. These steps will help you to become a certified Scrum Master and showcase your in-demand skills and knowledge to your employers. The first step to become a certified Scrum Master is to enroll with any reputed institute accredited with Scrum Alliance. The next step is, it's mandatory to attend a 2-day training course delivered by certified Scrum trainers. The objective of the training is to teach the Scrum concept and help you earn a CSM certificate. Upon completion of the course, Scrum Alliance will send you a link containing login credentials. You can also create your own credentials by clicking on the link received from Scrum Alliance. Using the credentials, take 1-hour online CSM exam, comprising 50 multiple-choice questions. To clear the CSM exam, you need to score a minimum of 74%. Once you successfully clear the exam, you will receive a license agreement from Scrum Alliance. After accepting the license agreement, you will receive a CSM certification and also a 2-year membership from Scrum Alliance. You will have to renew the certification once in every 2 years. We hope you are clear with CSM certification process. Next, let's move on to the exam details. Certified Scrum Master training demonstrates principles and processes involved in the Scrum processes. You will learn how to protect the team from both internal and external distractions and help them thrive in the organization. You will gain a thorough understanding of Scrum fundamentals and gain an understanding of team roles, events, and artifacts in Scrum. Let's take a look at exam pattern of CSM. You will have multiple choice questions. You need to attend 50 questions. You will be given 60 minutes duration to complete the exam. You need to score 37 out of 50 answers to clear the exam, with a total of 74%. Certifying test is issued directly from Scrum Alliance via email and taken online. First retake is included if the student does not pass the first time. There is no cool-off period, so the retake can be completed immediately. If the student does not pass after the first retake, there is a $25 fee for each additional retake. The CSM test is also available in English, French, Italian, Danish, Russian, Spanish, and many other languages. In the previous slides we understood how to become a certified Scrum Master professional, and the exam pattern. Here, let's see what are all the benefits of getting CSM certificate. Becoming a certified Scrum Master shows that you have become proficient not only in Scrum, but also in applying it within different Scrum environments. Certified Scrum Masters are paid more when compared to non-certified Scrum Masters. CSM certification training provides in-depth knowledge of Scrum terminologies, principles and practices, enough to fulfill the role of Scrum Master. Hope you are clear with the CSM certification process. Now, let's see what are the career opportunities does certified Scrum Masters have in their career line, and which are all the industries where certified Scrum Masters are in huge demand. Manufacturing industry. Retail sector. Financial institution. Automotive industry. Banking and technology. Is having a Scrum Master training necessary? The answer is for this question is, yes. This slide will explain why having a Scrum Master training is important. Scrum Master training is quite essential for everyone in the team. It empowers them with the tools they need to immediately accelerate team building, as they master the art and science of incremental delivery. As such, candidates receive training that is geared towards helping them discover the essential roles and practices that define Scrum. Scrum is used by numerous successful Agile teams across the globe. Through this training, candidates should become well versed in the practical steps they need to take to form a high-performance team, and successfully evade the pitfalls that new Agile teams often encounter. For employers, it helps to improve the efficiency of their work teams and processes, as well as the quality of their product and deliver customer satisfaction. The CSM certification is designed to provide students with a strong foundation of Scrum. It delivers able guides with people skills to form successful organizations. The stakeholders benefit from learning about its implementation for program or project management. And the target demographic includes everyone who aspires to work in an organization, from team leads, product managers, development managers, and project managers to developers, architects, analysts and testers. If all the above discussed aspects about Certified Scrum Master have made you pursue a career in Scrum, then Invensis Learning has all the essential tools and techniques to upskill your knowledge in the domain. Invensis Learning's Certified Scrum Master certification training will help you gain the requisite experience to succeed as a Scrum Master. The course provides 2 days of online virtual classes. 16 CEUs will be provided after completion of the course. 2-year free membership with Scrum Alliance. Now, let's see what are the benefits of taking up the course with Invensis Learning. Interactive instructor-led certification training programs, accredited by respective governing bodies or in line with their guidelines. Lifetime access to learning management system. Access to live classes, assignments, and industry-driven case studies. Highly qualified, certified, and accredited trainers. Gaining a CSM certification opens up various opportunities, and can increase your remuneration as well. Invensis Learning provides CSM certification training, which is accredited by Scrum Alliance. Accelerate your journey in Agile project management domain. In this video, we understood who is a Scrum Master, their responsibilities, how to become a Certified Scrum Master, exam details, and certifications provided by Invensis Learning. Being a Certified Scrum Master is indeed a satisfying job role. Having a certification in the same will surely catch eye of the potential employers. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll to get your CSM certification today at Invensis Learning, and step up your career in the world of Scrum. This brings us to the end of this How to Become a Certified Scrum Master video. We have covered all the basics that you should be aware of. If you are planning to become a Certified Scrum Master, hope you are clear with all the aspects that has been shared in this video. For more updates on trending technologies, subscribe to Invensis Learning YouTube channel. Also, if you have any queries, share them with us in the comments section. Have a successful career ahead.